we saw different areas or different specific regions of terracotta traditions in India: Molela, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Bengal. Even more are there. We just looked at them. These four are taken. So by this you understand the differences of style. In Molela you find the plaque, or the relief kind of sculptures made on terracotta plaques or on a flat surface. But in other places you find it is molded. It's a freestanding figure, and it has votive functions, votive terracottas. And Gujarat you find utensils and votive terracottas. In Tamil Nadu they have very large terracotta sculptures. In West Bengal it varies. It is a part of architecture. It's a part of decorating the architecture by terracotta works, and there are so much figures that come around the architectures. So that is the difference that you find. And there are, I will show you some terracotta temples. So it is not only in Bengal, in Bangladesh also you find temples. Like you see in Bishnupur, there are so many terracotta temples in Bishnupur, and also in parts of Bangladesh you find terracotta architecture on which you have terracotta decorations. Okay, so that's about, for images you may please refer on internet. There are so many websites available by showing all of them. If I find some of them, I will just share it. So do you have some questions or feedbacks, or if you want more than that, you also can contribute to the discussion. If you have something more to say about any of the areas I discussed, if you feel like I missed out something, or if you have something more to contribute, you can please say.